So back on the quad, it's a bit darker outside now. Just change the spark plug, change the oil. I have a new air filter piece on order, so it's not going to stop it from running anyway and trying it, but yeah, best to put a new one on it. Look at the old one, look at it here. It's I've just picked it up and it's basically disintegrated, so that's not any good. So it's a good job I've ordered a new one. Spark plug is a bit of a pain to get to with the plastics on, sitting just in here, but I'm sure we'll get to it one way or another and change the oil. Obviously fill it up here, 500ml. It says on the side, so we'll just have to find the drain underneath, and then just for peace of mind, we'll change that, as I'm not 100% sure the last time it was used. It's just been sitting in a shed outside for a while. The plastics, although they're dirty and they're stained and things, they're not exactly in bad condition. So for now, until the kids get used to riding it, I think we'll keep them on there for now, because the solid laws, like, I'll put some new plastics on it and then they'll hit something and break them. So yeah, a bit pointless at the moment, but perhaps it's a job for another time, just tidying it up with new plastics. We'll carry on the servicing and change the plug and the oil. So just while the oil is draining, just have a quick double check about any other jobs. So, bearing in mind it's been sat in a barn, I think, for a few years. This tire was obviously put on just before it was put away. They're all hard, they're all pumped up. I have got another new tire to go on the back, sitting up there. So I will do that at some point, but other than that, jobs wise, I think we'll give the chain a bit of lube, give it a good clean up. We've got the new air filter to fit. Right, the spark plug is now fitted, and so that's all that sort of side done. I've had a quick look in the fuel tank, and it doesn't seem too bad. I've got the new fuel cap on. You can hear a slight noise, so there is something inside. So we'll get some fuel and we'll flush all that out to sort it out. But that's the job's done. The plastics, like I said, we'll try giving a bit of a clean up, a bit of elbow grease.
Handy.
But they'll do for now. Right, all the oil is drained out. It's not a particularly very nice colour, as I'll show you in a minute. But we'll put the sump bung basically back into the bottom. So I've got my two glamorous assistants. Right, put it over a little bit.
Which way? Oh, that way.
That's it. Pull. All right.
Got it? Yeah.
You holding it?
Yeah. Alfie's really holding. The bits where you hold on to sit on it.
Handlebars.
Yeah, Alfie's holding on the handlebars. That'll be in the video. That's going to be in the big video of me holding the handlebars like I'm on it. So just go on YouTube.
So just to show you, that is the oil that came out. That's so it's in desperate need of a change. So let's just
put it back down.
Let's just pull that tray out.
That looks horrible.
Now you can put it down slowly.
Now we can put the thing down. That was heavy.
All right. Wipe the floor. So you just need to fill it back up with oil.
Fill it back up.
What does it say on the side? What number is it?
500.
500. So we undo this.
Daddy, where does it say 500?
This is there, 500 milliliters.
Milliliters.
So
I'm very good at that.
in here is 1 litre, so this is 1,000 millilitres.
So we only need like half.
So we need half of it. So if you look on the side, you can see it shows it's done there. It shows how much. Look, if you look in the light,
Yeah, really.
see on the side. It's 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. So that'll be up to 1,000. And
Daddy, did you know that's in your video?
we need to put it down to 500. Okay, watch this.
Where do you pour it?
Into that tiny little hole. I think to be fair, it'll be easier if we do it in that, won't it?
Yeah.
Maybe not. Let's just try and see if Daddy spills it everywhere.
Probably. Just about.
Just a little drip more, just for what we dropped.
Well, just. Whoop.
There you go.
I thought it was just a puddle. That's perfect.
Perfect.
That is on the line. What, the oil? Yeah. Oh. Ugh, that looks gross. Yeah, it looks like.
Yeah, well, should use the funnel.
Do you need to use the WDA?
WD-40.
WD.
Just do that.
WD. Oh my god. 2, 3. What was that? Called WD.
Eh?
40.
So we've changed the oil, haven't we?
Yeah, we changed the oil. All good.
All good. Didn't spill too much. So we'll just
Sugar that.
tidy that up and then wait for the new air filter to come.
We've all done, and we only need to put a few more bits on, and then we're done the cord.
Can't you ride it like that then? What's
we
missing?
We need to put the seat on.
The seat?
Yeah.
You don't need a seat, do you?
Yes, you need seat.
So it's another day. The kids have pressure washed the quad as best as they can. Anyway, it's a little bit cleaner than what it was. It really needs a steam cleaner going over it, which I'll do at some point. So all that's left to do now is I've cleaned the tank out as best I can. I did swill it out with a little bit of petrol as it felt like there was a little bit of debris in there. I've taken the tap out at the bottom and there is a filter on there. It's not dirty, so I'll just put that back together again. I have now ordered a new air filter, as the previous one sort of or the one that was in it has fallen to bits. As soon as you touched it, it just disintegrated. So I've ordered that, and I've also ordered the lanyard that plugs in the back, so when the kids ride it, if they suddenly panic and go full throttle, it will then pull the kill switch out of the back to kill it, as they're used to riding the Gator, but that is just electric, so just as a basically an on-off switch. So if we fit the tank back on and put some fuel in it, fingers crossed, it fires up. So fuel tank's back on. I was being a bit lazy not getting a funnel, so I did spill a little bit of fuel. The pipes are a little bit of a pain in the bum to get on, but hopefully now we'll get the fire up. So let's give it a go. Call that a bit of a success. It runs. I think it needs a bit of fine tuning. I haven't twisted or changed any of the settings on the carburetor as it came out of the packet. So it looks a little bit smoky, but obviously it's 2-stroke. So bonus. It's, kids will be excited. So yeah, hopefully the air filter and the kill switch lanyard at the back will turn up fairly quick, and kids can have a go. I'll tie up the wheels at some point, but at least they can go on it. So better order them a crash helmet and everything else that they need. So bonus. I think that's it's time to put the plastics back on the back, the seat, and yeah, give it a go.